If you want to add an event to calendar on Realme GT 8 Pro, what you can do is you can open the calendar app. So we have it over here, press the green continue. There we go, we have got it. Now we have some tips, of course, that you can follow if needed, but if you want to simply create an event, then we can use this plus button in the bottom right corner. Now in here we have the title that we can set up. We can even use a category, whether it is like a standard event, birthday, anniversary, or countdown. We can choose to make the event last the whole day, or you can choose exactly when it should start. So first we pick up the date, then you can tap on a time over here on the right side, and you can choose when the event starts and also when it ends, of course. And we also have the time zone selection in case it is relevant. We can tap on more settings in here in order to, of course, find, as the name suggests, more settings. Like, for example, whether the event should be repeatable. You can also manage reminders in here. You can actually select multiple reminders at once, so you can be notified about the event a couple of times before it happens, before it begins. And also we have the sound alert that we can enable. We have the location. You can set up the location in here. You can even choose the calendar that you want to use. By default, we use our main Google account. We can also include guests and notes. And once you are done with the setup, just tap on a done in the upper right corner. And that is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.